Good evening, guys. It's Aurav, and the date is 27th of March 2021. And Jai, I just want to surrender myself towards the God because so many things have been happening in my life, and right now I have not been able to just take control of all these things that are happening. Because right now I feel like that my life is just out of my control. From so I will tell you just in a simple word what is just the things that right now I didn't like. The first thing that I didn't like is my connection with myself. I like to feel that, and I feel myself that I have a very bad connection with my inner self because I am not friend with myself. So that's why whenever I just try to find people, it's always feel like a extrovert because at the first I don't know what my choices are, what are the things that I really like, what are the things that I don't like. And the first thing is that you have to be selfish in the way you think because otherwise you can't just put out your real potential or just demolish the thing that you are just portraying and just bring to yourself, bring to your worth that you are having. Because what's the point just to save a character where you don't like it and you are just being there for the just the sake of it, and that's not where anyone should they be? I don't think they should, but the feeling is like I've been a very great professor, a very great successor. And the thinking is that whatever happens in your life is just for a reason, and the things that are really messing around with your life is just gonna get you in a tough mess. You are just in a period, or for myself, I'm just in a period where I am just taking things and I have been experiencing those things for the first time. And whenever you are just trying and you are just feeling those things for the first time, you will definitely gonna feel the burden, feel the pressure, no matter how precious. It's very hard for a person. I also meditate. I also do everything, but my tolerance is not very good. I feel like I am having some anxiety, some ADHD like things, but I am not sure that yes, it's having myself or I have been diagnosed with this. That's not nothing that like that. But the thing I have seen in myself is that I have been just thinking over and over about a single thing, and that is just ruining my life day in and day out. So from my morning, the one for a one single thing, I have just not been able to think. There is so many failure things that are happening. Life is not interesting, and all this thing. But from all these things, what I have seen, yes, they are there. But I have a chance. I have a duty. I have a duty just to get out of it, and just for the sake of it, I have to be there. Don't be a motherfucking who. Just be sit there and just doesn't do anything, and that's not the right thing to do. Just get there, do things. Like I have fear, anxiety around people. I don't know what to talk, what the value that I possess because right now I don't have any value. So I really, literally, just can't get over my past because from my past I don't know where my peers are, where should I stand, and where I am jack of all trades and master of none. Like I have many friends, but there is no best friend of mine to whom I just go. So it's like a positive and negative because you don't have to think always. You just don't have to take care of all of them. But at the same place, you just have no friends, and you don't like that. Whenever you have something that is wrong, you just go. But right now, I'm changing this thing quite a lot. And right now, what I have thought and what I have seen in myself is that I am just taking the risk and just trying to find out that what are the things that is working out, what are the things that is not working out, and how to get behind it and just see that for me myself, that's the thing right now. And I'm just a very nice guy who just try to please other, and for the sake of this, he will just gonna listen to everyone. Whatever every other people will say, he will just gonna follow that thing, and that is the biggest issue that right now I feel like for just the growth of myself. Because by doing that, I'm just helping others, but I'm not helping myself at all. I'm just not saying that what are the things that I really like and what are the things that I need to improve, and where is that I'm falling short. So if you just try to look at yourself, then also it's a really long time before you just find out that what are the things that really work for you, what are the things that really didn't work for you, and just to come to a conclusion, okay, that is the thing that is working. But whatever has happened, that has happened for a reason, and what the thing that has me led to this place. So let's find out this thing and just think what are the things that right now if I could have just the control of my life and just have meditated, then I could have easily planned out that what things that I really want to do. Like, because from the morning till when I woke up, from that time I just get on a procrastination trouble where I just get from one thing to another, another thing to another, and there's a constant fear. There is the feeling that the girl is very important for your life. That is not the case anymore, because the girl that you are having in your life is just for a moment and just to give you a pleasure. And whenever na, he'll just gonna leave you. If you are just truly so much dependent of yourself, whenever she will leave you, it will just gonna be a hell of a mess, and you will just gonna feel like there is nothing in the world and she is the only thing. That the mistake that I was doing, and really still I am doing, but right now I am very aware of that. I am just trying to change those things, because for literally of your life it is not possible for you just dependent on a single person, because whenever he will just gonna lose, it's not like it's a concrete eye that if you look at this it will just gonna, because all the potentials are not in your hand. There is something that has to be calculated, and those risks should be there, and you have to just take care of all these things, then just go ahead with this life. And it's like there's a mundane routine that you are following, there's a mundane behavior that you are feeling. You have to go through all these things and just let go. There's some bad habits that I'm having, like I have having some watching some videos habits, like I don't want to do work, I don't want to do use my mind. It was very wrong, but I have tried. But there is something, some mistake that I have been doing critically, and for a very long time I don't know how to get over all these things. But nevertheless, there's a thing that I am doing right now. I have been just quite a lot of thing, and the pressure handling situation, the problem handling situation, these are not very well. But I was just gonna stick on the situation, stick with the feelings, and then until and unless I just find a solution, till that time I will just gonna be there. For the next time I will just gonna create a next video.